Shenzhen Zhuomao Technology Company Limited, known as Seamark Overseas, is a recognized professional company which focused on development, production, and sales for BGA repairing equipment since year of 2005. With a strong technical team, efficient management, perfect sales network, and professional after-sales service, our company and products have won good reputation from customers at home and abroad. Now, we're the leader of BGA repairing equipment manufacturer in China. At the same time, Seamark are China's national high-tech enterprises with many invention patents and awards for BGA rework station. Seamark can offer a full line of inspection, rework, and repair solution for electronics, including in-line and offline X-ray inspection system, BGA rework station, LCD panel repair system, mobile LCD repair machine. Our products have passed the ISO CE, which makes processes with quality practices to ensure better product realization. Whether you are retailers or end users, Seamark always provide professional rework and inspection solution and service for you through a wide network of distributors and agents. You can find a local service at USA, UK, Germany, Brazil, Iran, India, Argentina, Poland, South Africa. Our goal is to be a pioneer in inspection and rework industry, and our aim is to provide clients with the most valuable and innovative solutions at effective cost. Welcome all friends from home and abroad to cooperate with us. Welcome to Seamark.